Hi, welcome back to the Event House channel, your home for all things hospitality. Today, we're chatting with Josie Caldwell from Josie's Fun Kitchen. And make sure you stay to the end to hear the absolute craziest guest requests. You won't believe what some people ask for. But first up, here are some good news snapshots. So let's get started. Congratulations to Jill Bailey, who was recently called back to work. She's been on furlough since last March. What a big relief. Congratulations, Jill. Here's a shout out to Chris Shepard and the restaurant group in Houston that has raised millions of dollars for the bills and medical costs of local hospitality workers. Great work, you guys! A big hooray for Dawn Dietrich, who worked so hard and finally passed the CMP exam. We're all so proud of you, Dawn. Sandy Fishbein has decided to follow her passion outside of hospitality. Due to the pandemic, she made some tough choices and is now teaching yoga. Best of luck with that, Sandy. Congratulations to Juana Guzman, who applied for a new job on a whim and got it. Good luck as a new housekeeping manager, Juana. Megan Hamilton is so excited to announce that she's back in hospitality after 11 months of unemployment. She's so excited for her new position at a beautiful hotel in Austin. Congratulations, Megan. Yay for Brenda Lewis, who just got promoted. Way to go. You'll be a great executive housekeeper, Brenda. Janelle Natalia has had a rocky road with her position over the last year, and now she's announcing a new chapter outside of hospitality. We wish you great success in your new chapter, Janelle. Congratulations to Karen Perryman, who was recently called back to work from furlough. What a great feeling. Good luck settling back in and making great things happen in Miami, Karen. Mary Kay was laid off last June after 15 years in hospitality. Now she got a great job with better pay and a higher title. Her skills will easily translate to this new endeavor. Congratulations, Mary Kay. Let me introduce you to Josie Caldwell from Josie's Fun Kitchen. She is full of energy and enthusiasm about her cooking demonstrations on YouTube, and I can't wait for you to meet her. Please tell me where you live and what your hospitality background is before we get up to where you are in 2020.
This has been actually when I graduated college, I went to school in DC, and I, like a lot of people, have fallen into the industry, and you literally, just kind of right from college.
I did too. Yep.
Yeah. So I, without getting into, great detail, but have been with GES for 31 years.
Wow. Okay.
So I, and I'm going to fast forward, I had different roles in GES. 2020 comes around, and I honestly thought that I was going to, in my mind, when I think back, is I was going to retire from GES. But I've always loved to cook. So I'm kind of bringing this story together. So yes, I've always loved to cook.
Exactly where I wanted to go. Yes.
Was on Facebook, and I would cook and I would prepare a nice, dish, start snapping pictures and posting it. Somebody says, you should do something with the cooking, maybe do a blog. So I actually I went on Google and thought, okay. And I got lazy and I just kind of stopped doing it. Last year, I had my kitchen remodeled, and COVID hits. You saw what our industry implodes. And after 31 years, I was one of the furloughs and the casualties of the layoffs at GES.
Sorry. Yeah, that's so scary.
Well, furloughed at first, and then all of a sudden they're like, well, they would take little things. So, and this all happened in a matter of weeks.
Okay.
And I said, okay, it sounds like this is all going to be a layoff. I was being realistic. which it turned out to be. And in March, that's when I was talking with some people saying, yeah, I was thinking about doing a YouTube, just like, and they're like, oh my gosh, you should do it. I'm like, hey, it's only one, you got to take one step. So I had no idea what I was doing. And I went online. How do you set up a Google? I did it all by myself and videotaped myself and learned how to edit myself.
Oh boy.
Without spending a lot of money because I'm not making any revenue. And so I did it. And then I started, I want to say analyzing it and talking to other people. Again, I was sitting here going, who do I know? And I know Jules Clifford. He's a professional photographer. So I reached out to him and I said, can you take a look at this video and tell me what you think? And he says, actually, Josie, you did a really good job. I was talking to one of my nephews. I said to him, I said, but you should see, his name's Matt. I said, you should see the bloopers that I have. He goes, you should save those and just do bloopers. But now what I have found is I have had my fire alarm go off. And while I'm taping, and now what I do is I incorporate that and just go, okay, I'm putting my fan up. My fire alarm might go off. And if it goes off, just recently, I'm like, and there it is. Fire alarm goes off.
I love it.
And I'm watching the views increasing. And I'm thinking, wow. So within, I uploaded it on Thursday. Today's Monday. I have like 219 views, which is pretty good.
That's amazing.
And my subscriber count's up to 264 now. And then I got asked to do this one demo. It was all in conversation. And that's where I came up with the idea. I thought, I could do this live with our everything virtual now. So I've been promoting myself, and I've done for PCMA, the board of trustees. I did a live virtual demo.
Oh,
and then just recently, just to try to promote myself, if somebody if it's an organization, they say, hey, would you do something? And if it was a bunch of meeting planners, it was last week. And I said, sure. So they said, show us how to put together, or the thought behind a charcuterie board. So I did that. And I'm still interviewing for a quote full-time job because I need to make some money. But I've been telling the people I've been talking to, going, the Josie's Fun Kitchen's not going to go away.
Tell me, you said you are looking for a job. Are you hoping to get back into hospitality? And then
yes, I'd like to. My goal is get a full-time job, stay in the industry. I've made that decision, is that I definitely wanted to stay in our industry and just do this. Never know, I might have a cookbook next, because I do, because I have a printable version, and I have all my recipes that I've been doing.
Well, good for you.
Yeah.
I'm so glad to hear about
thank
all
you.
of this.
Wow, that conversation made me hungry. Check out all her videos on YouTube at Josie's Fun Kitchen. And now for some fun with the craziest guest requests.
I know you won't bend once when the dance circumvents your pleas. I know you once in a while and a secret smile praying on your knees. There was a time when the whole world would stand in the name of love. It's not what I'm thinking of. I remember better than you think. I think at long last the secret's out. You try to shake your fans on the corner of the street you're about. But there was a time when the whole world would stand in the name of love. And that's not what I'm thinking of. Where you going so late?